All right, so this is my '04 Mazdaspeed. Recently, I got the Viz Racing hardtop. I didn't see a lot of videos out there about it for me to know what it would look like or what I was getting. So after I got it on, I decided to go ahead and make a video myself. Packaged really well. There were no real scuffs on it from the delivery or the packaging. Any of the little micro abrasions would be from, just when they were packing it and shipping it. And but it came out pretty well. No real big issues with it. Normally I would do a buff and a polish just to, smooth out the gel coating, which is actually like really nice on it. I heard that Viz was known for that. Mine came with the back glass already installed. They installed it from the get-go. The Lexan, I hear is very easy to, scratch. So we got a lot of little scratches there that I'm gonna be looking up, different ways to maybe clear that up. But this lining, the glass, the little black stuff that they put in it, that was all from them, and that's how it came in. The hardware it comes with are two little brackets. I'm not really sure what they're for. I think they mount here somewhere, but I just use my the brackets from the soft top, and I got those in here. One issue I had was that over here, this was drilled a little bit too shallow. So there's some wiggle in this when this is loosened, and it's hard to screw those all the way in. So it's got the mounts for the side brackets. I don't have the side brackets yet. They don't come with it. So I'm fastening like a little makeshift bracket I found from Home Depot. I'm gonna drill that out so that those line up. Put that in there. So the back of it, you can see, looks like that. Still got my soft top. And same on this side. We got a little bracket I'm gonna fasten to go here until I purchase the side bracket for the soft top. They did this liner. I had a little bit of issue with, not on this side, but on the other side around this area. When you close the window, when you close the door, it kind of pushes there, and I'm gonna probably have to re-stick it here because this is coming down. So I have to reapply it there. But the back liner they give you really thick back liner. I ended up replacing it with some other liner that I bought.